respect and blessings, my wonderful peeps. And please, subscribe to my channel. Like, subscribe, share. I notice you've been watching, but please subscribe. Alright, then and now story. Then was long ago. Now is present. Now, then. Hey, back in the days, right? Remember typewriters? Typewriter only offices had typewriters and a few people in homes. Them days everything have a type up. And you know what them used to call them people that would do the typing? The typists. Not the typists, typer. Nowadays everybody turn typer. Everybody have a typing this, typing that, typing your name, typing your age, typing your send, typing. See it? So it look like then appear again. Respect later.